Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Gayatri Agarwal from LPSAVANI VIDHYABHAVAN welcomes you for our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, Changing Families. Changing Families? How is this name of our chapter, Changing Families? Does our families change? Any answer from you? Yes, our families change. Now, we shall see in this chapter in which way does our family changes. Okay, so in this chapter we are having 3 characters. The first is Kiran. The first is Kiran, the second is Sumi, and third is Deepali. Now let's move ahead. The first tale is of Kiran. Let us see how Kiran's family changes. How does the change occur in Kiran's family? There is a great excitement in Kiran's family. She has a new baby sister. Kiran and her family are very happy. Can you see in the pictures that Kiran's mummy is in hospital and there is a baby sister lying beside her mother. So, how many members were there in Kiran's family earlier? In Kiran's family, there were Kiran's grandparents, her father, mother, and Kiran herself. Now, there is an addition in the family, which is Kiran's baby sister. Right? So, the new arrival in the family brings the change in the family. In the family which there are grandparents and 1 or 2 children is known as a small and a happy family. Right? Children, there are 2 types of family. One is a nuclear family and other is a joint family. In nuclear families, you stay alone with your parents and your brother or your sister. They are also known as siblings. Right? And in joint families, you live with your grandparents, uncles, aunties, cousins, and there are many relations in the family. What else we learn from our family? We learn many things like unity, cooperation, feeling of collectiveness from our family. What is feeling of collectiveness? At times we need people around us who would listen to us, who would talk to us, with whom we can share our happiness, with whom we can share our sadness, or a little secrets which you don't like to share with your parents. Other than friends, there should be someone in family who would listen to our secrets, who can listen to our small things. Right? Our next character is Sumi. What is new in Sumi's tale? Sumi lives with her father, mother, siblings, cousins, uncles, aunties in a joint family. Right? And Sumi's father is in government job. He was promoted and was being transferred to another city. Now this is one more reason for a change in family. The first reason for change in family is the new arrival. Is arrival of a new member in the family. The second change occurs in the family when we have to shift our place from one place to another. Why we need to change our place? Because of our work, of our parents' work, or their professional life. When there is change in your parents' professional life, there is change in your family, and that change is going to take place in Sumi's family. Like we have read here that Sumi's father works in a government job and he was given promotion. Promotion means giving one rank ahead, one rank above, and he was transferred to another city. Now when Sumi's father is transferred to another city, what will happen? Sumi will have to leave behind her cousins, her friends, her grandparents, uncles, aunties, everyone in the same place where they are now, and Sumi will shift with her parents to the new place. What will happen suddenly? Suddenly, Sumi will be living in a nuclear family with her parents. Right? What else do we learn in our family? We learn to respect our elders. We learn to behave in a proper manner. We learn to take care of the parents, of grandparents who have grown old, taking care of us. Right? We also learn to behave properly since our childhood, as we have our grandparents who take care of us. Our parents are the ones who look after all the members of our family. In a family, we are loved by each and every member in the way we are. Our family never wants a change in us. They would never change us for loving us. It is just like a saying, a sapling will grow as directed. Right? According to this, if a child is taught proper behavior right from her or his childhood, he would become successful and humble when they grow up. What does this mean? That from the beginning, from the childhood, if we get lots of love, care, affection, and if there are people who can show us the right path, what we will become? We will become successful in our life. Right? Now we have our third character. And who's that? The third character is Dipali. And how is a change taking place in Dipali's family? We will learn about it. There is a great joy in Dipali's home today. All are enjoying. Her elder cousin brother is getting married. So, what is happening? Dipali's brother is getting married. And again a change in the family. When a brother is getting married, we have a new member in our family in the term of sister-in-law. We also call our sister-in-law as Bhabhi. Right? In some languages, sister-in-law is also called as Vaini. Fine. So here Dipali's brother is getting married. What will happen in the family? With the marriage of Dipali's cousin brother, a new member will be added. And who will be the new member? The new member will be Dipali's sister-in-law. Right? And what happens when daughters get married? When daughters get married, daughters have to leave their home and go to their husband's home. Just like your mother came to your home while marrying to your father. Right? So, what kind of clothes does the bride and the groom wear? In different places, different clothes of the brides and the grooms are there. Who is a bride? Bride means the lady and groom means the gentleman. Okay, the bridegroom wears the sherwani or with the turban, that is also known as safa. Somewhere the bridegroom wears safari, right? And what does the bride wear? Bride wears a panetar or the lehenga, the bridal lehenga, and some kinds of folk songs and dances are performed in the marriage. There is a mandap set up for getting married, right? Then a lavish food is arranged. What kind of food is arranged in marriages? Like mango ras, mango juice, vegetables, pakoras, puris, rotis, dal, rice, papad, salad, pickles, raita, and there are many more items. There are some kind of desserts like ice creams, mousse, like so many items are there in marriages, right? Marriage is a very, very big occasion in one's family, right? And now we will learn something about a family tree. What is a family tree, children? See, can you see here? In a family tree, we have granny and grandpa, right? From where we get mama. Again, we have granny and grandpa, from where we have our father. And from mother and father, we are here. And this is our small family tree, right? So, what happens in a family? In a family, the parents are the heritage of the grandparents, and the children are the heritage of the parents. This is how our family tree grows. You know, children, that family is the first school of every child in his upbringing. Why? Because the child's behavior depends on the scenario of his or her house. The way the parents behave, in the same way the children behave, right? In family, we learn some good things. And what are they? They are respecting our elders, behaving in a loving manner. We also learn to behave good towards all. And what are some else reasons which can lead to the change in family? There are some more reasons which can lead to the change in family, and they are when a family member has to leave the family for the job, or when the financial condition improves and the family goes to live in a big luxurious house, or when the responsible member of the family passes away. These are the three other reasons which can lead to the change in family. In this way, we finish our chapter. But children, always remember, family is the first school of us. In this way, we finish our chapter. Thank you for listening me. We shall meet again with our chapter number 10, that is Kabaddi Kabaddi Kabaddi. See you then. Bye bye. Take care.